We are at Elephant Nature Park. It's about an hour outside of Chiang Mai, and this place is a rescue and sanctuary for elephants.
Yeah, they have like 100 elephants, and the game plan today is to help feed them and pet them and look at them.
We're really, really excited. This one is the grandma. She's about 90 years old. So elephants are mistreated all over Thailand, and here at the Elephant Nature Park, they rescue elephants in all kinds of different ways. We've seen images of ones that were in chains. At one point, you know, there was an elephant that was a beggar elephant, which just sounds horrible. They've been used for hunting, they've been beaten, they've been mistreated. But here they rescue them from the jungle, and they'll even pay up to 2 million baht for elephants to get them out of the hands of folks that aren't treating them well. You can tell they really love the animals here and really take great care of them.
We're about to see the baby.
Shaba, what are you playing? I'm not your toy. Shaba.
This is the baby. She's about 7 months old, and she's very playful and very quick.
Let's take one home, the baby one.
I don't think that will fit in my carry-on.
Don't know until you try. Look, oh!
All right, lunch is included with our tour. Let's eat. Look at this lunch.
Lunch was included in our ticket, and it's delicious.
Should say, it's all vegetarian, and the way it was sold to us was that we are eating like the elephants. Not sure what that means, because they were eating leaves and stuff.
Can eat the fruit by season. Cucumber, pineapple.
These are birthday cakes for elephants. She was telling us that the female elephants like to put stuff on their heads to feel pretty. The staff here doesn't do that. The elephants do that for themselves. Another fun elephant fact we learned today. When they're eating, especially the like stems and leaves and stuff, they'll grab it with their trunk and then they'll smack it against their leg or against something else to clean it because they don't like to eat dirty food. It's been pretty cool.
So in addition to elephants, they have over 600 dogs and like thousands of cats. So we're going to Cat Kingdom now. I'm kind of nervous.
And Michael is a big cat fan, so we're really interested to see.
He'll basically be in heaven.
And cats love him too, so it's gonna be exciting. Making some friends.
These cats like me.
This little guy just keeps coming back to me, crawling up into my lap.
I have to go get the cat expert to help get him off of me. We'll see.
Having a little cat tea party.